Hey!
On abadelo man mark. No taking no gun area. On it when you share that. Abadelo man mark. Ndame agulebe. Eba ga ka so gebe. Abula. Amota nka abula. Abadelo man mark. Nabula ba also.
Hello fans, welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Biafrans, good morning, good afternoon and good evening, depending on your time zone. Yes, so today being 25th of July 2025, we are bringing this news live and direct from Biafra land. Guys, it happened in Umualaoma, that is in Okigwe / Izuogu community. All those Aziks, no be small thing where happened there, guys. The kind of gunshot, the kind of confrontation from the Musa and the Asari boys versus the Biafra Liberation Army. The thing did too much. The thing did too much. A lot of casualties were recorded there, and the worst part of it is that some civilians, some innocent citizens, some guys that do not have anything to do with whatever that is going on, we are by down. Now, who by those people is the question.
My brother, I was on the Tiger Base. The Tiger Base. I was on Tiger Base, my brother. I put a corona. I don't have it. Which way Nigeria? Which way Nigeria?
No way!
Which way Nigeria? Tiaga Sebola, I hope innocent citizens. We not do anything, no. Which way Nigeria? Is this how we are going to survive in Nigeria? We came out from our various houses to come and look for our daily bread. Look at what they are doing to us. We are in the bush right now. Avoiding guns, so that we will not lose our lives. Our lives are very much important. I swear. I'm saying this from a Bush TV, so that it can get to the whole world. If you hear my voice, just do way to share this video, okay? So that our
Bye. Hello, I can give me put a big gun. You go grab my can one day. I go water. I know I am no Biafra about first. Mom told herself, huh? Even say, you know, got you oak one on cut yourself, which you find. When I will can, you go grab my about first. I got water. Oh, and you know, guy, nothing. It's nothing. I go water. I go water. I'm going to Hana, madam, no. Make you enter there, yeah. Say it's nothing. Anything what they do, you know, they even they touch anywhere. Yeah, they touch anywhere now. They touch anywhere. They try to clear you everything. Nothing solved, yeah. Man.
Who is part of the head of IPOB, accused NJ Makeup and his boys. According to Chinasa Sanwo-Olu said that it is NJ Makeup and his boys that went down to Umualaoma and started killing civilians, started killing people. And Ikenga Uruagu also said that it is Gentle the Yahoo that did that. But the federal government news said that it is IPOB, ESN, that did the atrocity. Listen to this young man whose business was destroyed.
He got his oil mill vandalized just yesterday, and as it is, we have just come to take the record of the scene. As it is, ladies and gentlemen, all the medical time is together and I want to do better. Koto go dry in him and oil mill, Dika Ubochi weather. Bushike.
You can go here about a canopy and yellow. The king and land you got home about it. About all you mean. Get on your line, and this is such a structure now as it is now in Nigeria. About taking 6 good years. Tawa any helper. Make it there, you are there to honor now. anya malitere nwe ọrụ na 5th of October last year ka anyị mepere ebe a officially ndị mmadụ bịara ụwa niile gbara aka ebe hụ na ejiri ezigbo ego ebe a o wee ruo nnyaa ndị wa anụ ndị dịka ị na-ahụ ebe ị ga-ahụ special sport na ndị Nigerian ya amod ka ọ tụrụ m n'anya mgbe anyị niile gbachara ọsọ ịlaghachite azụ ma ahụ na moto a ji eburu ndị agadi nwaanyị nkwụ na-agbanye ọkụ buo mmanụ ọtụtụ mmanụ apakịrị ebe a karịrị akarị ha buru mmanụ tụọ vandalize ha dị iche even the crackers the pieces the crackers take whatever at all ha mara maybe they had useful for them lose all the tires maybe ha je tie na moto nke ha I don't know buru the radiator buru battery before ha tinyezi moto ọkụ yore so ile anyị ga-ahụ na ebe a na imekwe ka ebe a rịnwakwa ọrụ ọzọ elere m anya na ọhịa ga-efutere 5 million naira which amara m na ụdị ego ahụ adịghị.
Okay, looking at this man's interview now, the man said that he identified the people that did this. They came with armored car, armored tank, and all their equipments. They vandalized his workshop. They vandalized it. They carted away all the oils. Mmanu nio jeri ni the man on akwo oji akwo. I getting me with machine. Ka ha bịa bubu crossing ndị niile ọgba na gallon. Luzucha taya moto ya tinye na moto ha wee suo moto ya ọkụ, vandalize ya his workshop. In fact, nke a riri anyị ọnụ ndị be anyị ka nezie n'anya fụ ihe na-eme. Nke a riri anyị ọnụ. We don't actually know what else to say. O riri anyị ọnụ. Kekwana ihe bụ crime this man committed. Why are you setting someone backward after struggling many years to survive? You are just setting him backward. It is not good though. It is not good though.
Ọ ga-atụ m ga-echekwa m n'afọ ọzọkwa nke a mara m na onweghị gọọmenti ga-anye m 1 naira iji hụ na ebe a gawara ihe ọzọ. Nwanne nya ka m kpọrọ ndị lokal gọọmenti board of internal revenue ehime ka ha bịa were revenue ha si na 40,000 m promises ahụ m ga-akwụkwa ka ọ ghara ịdị ka anyị na-agbanye gọọmenti ụkwụ na ịkwalite ọganihu nke Naijiria, ọganihu nke ehime lokal gọọmenti. Ha ziri onye ọgụ ozi ya sị ha bịa gwa m na nkwụọ revenue nkwe na m ga-akwụ were ego drop ọgụrụ ma m nọghị ya ọnwụ na local gọọmenti bịa sisi were 40,000 ya dịka revenue rate. Ma lee n'anya na ịhụnanya ya na kwa ebe a ka m ga-esi weta revenue kwụọ gọọmenti. Ana m elekwa gọọmenti ahụ nke ebu n'obi na ebe a na ha mana ọnwụ ha arụra m ya ọwa afụfụ m azụ nwa ogbenye. Ana m elekwa ha anya na ama ha ga-abịakwa inyekwa aka ka ahụ na arụkwara ebe ọzọ ka ha nwee ike nweta okwe revenue ha, maka ọ ga-anwụ ihe nwere wụrụ ihe mwute na m ga-atakwa ahụhụ egel ree onwe m mee ihe na-enwe ike mehụkwa na ebe a bidokwara ọrụ ọzọ. Sistem gọọmenti ime dokwara ebe ọnọdụ abịakwa destroy kwa ya egel mekwe m expect ka m nyekwa ha revenue, mana ọ bụ ihe mwute nyere m maka ama egbe agbatụbe mbụ alụtebebe ọgụ mbụ etinye na m echekwara aka n'ụzọ na-ezighị ezi ebe m na-atụkwasị obi na ebe a m si enweta ihe m na-eri were nyere ụmụ ogbenye aka. Ụfọdụ ndị nwaanyị isi mkpe na-abịa ebe a were tụọ ihe ha na-eri. Ọgwụkwọ enwe ihe butere ọnọdụ a nke eke mụnwa na-ama ọ dị ha nwa n'aka ịkọwa. Ebe a ị ga-ahụ na arụchabi ọ ka gakwa ọnụ, onwe ihe dị ka ha ezoro ezo ebe onwe mmadụ gbara n'ime ebe a zoo ka a ga-asị na ọwa iwe a ga-eji kwụwasa ebe a, mana ụnụ ahụ nanụ nsogbu adịghị. Onye so taa dị mma otu a duzi ya aka, mana ahụrụ m na achọpụtara m na ndị mere ihe a maybe ha adịgo possessed with the evil spirit, removing the human conscience. Their human conscience is being taken away. So whatever they are doing it out of their own selfish interest and their own wicked life. So ota ha si mee mota ha si Chineke sọ dị mma ya dị mma masị na dị mma ya were ihe na-eji akwụ ụgwọ ndị na-ehe ọjọọ kwụọ ha ụgwọ ọhịa mma nwere ike ikwu.
Ọ ga-adịrị gị mma because take us a bit round to show us what has taken place. As it is, Chief Ihukumene is walking into the place in a special recognition. This is the uniform of the people who operated in this place. It's a special FG whatever. Because the level of damage done in this place. As you can see, this is inside the oil mill. This is the usual vehicle, a Hilux vehicle that is always used by Ihukumene, and here it has been vandalized. A lot of time has been taken by the people who did this. As it could be recorded, alleged, it is said that the operation started at about 4 o'clock in the morning. on the 23rd fateful day of July. From the 4 a.m., this operation went on till 4 p.m. in the evening on the same fateful day. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this is what is left out of a Hilux unit of vehicle that is always used by Chief Izuogu. Article Times in Notakwanonia. He is a law-abiding citizen of Nigeria who has been paying his taxes, and of course, he is a member of the Elders in Council of the Umualaoma. And in fact, what we are just seeing here is a very bad omen. A cabinet member of the Elders in Council, this is what is left out of his vehicle. And as you can see, here we are recording live all the structures that has been dismantled. Time was taken to dismantle all this. Okay, there is an axle there. They took time to loosen the axle and loosened and separated it right from the engine. As you can see, these are the scraps of what is left in the canal section of this oil mill. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we are going into the area of the oil refining unit of the same oil mill. Here you can see, okay, the engine. To make sure that nothing is left for the young man. There is the iron basket that is always featured in this area. As Chief Izuogu is saying, the basket has been loosened and removed, detached. Here you can see how the unit, the clamp or the unit where the oil nuts or the palm nuts are put in, they have dismantled it totally. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going bit by bit to show you the level of damage done in this unit of the oil mill. A fast-moving oil mill that has come to stay in Umualaoma Autonomous Community. And as we speak, you can see the remnants of what is left is best assessed by you. There you can see the oven has been damaged beyond repairs, and nothing is left for this young man.
According to this man's report, we can be able to identify the people that buy all those innocent civilians. So many things are happening in Imo State, and we keep on asking this question: why is Imo State the worst hit in all these things? Imo State, for Christ's sake, is not the only state we have in Biafra land, but everything has been centered down to Imo State. A lot of buying has taken place in Imo State. A lot of them, every day in, day out, there must be a gunshot. There must be kind of buying. Now, wow, let God Almighty help us. Mazen Nandekalo, it is indeed time for you to come out. Please come out, Mazen Nandekalo. Let us know who is who. Let us know exactly what is going on in Biafra land. Let us know exactly who is buying all these innocent citizens, innocent Biafrans that has nothing to do with whatsoever that is going on. Why are they buying the innocent one? That is where we are not getting it. Like, we keep asking these questions. Why are they buying the innocent ones? Why are they shedding all those things? It's not supposed to be. So guys, now the density of this confrontation in Imo State is too high. So many sophisticated weapons are being used in Imo State today.
But I cannot go. We still there. We know they're going anywhere. The Bafra land will there. The Bafra land will there. We know they're going anywhere. We still there our land. So if they want But they carry their person, no concern me. But I know say na Biafra land we dey. And nothing go carry us come off for this land, now we get time. Nothing go make us come off for our land. Nothing. So the land are our own. Nothing that's all. Yeah. So anybody who agree, make him agree. Anybody no agree, make him leave. I no beg you to agree. I get. That is it. I no beg anybody to agree. I no beg you free. If you don't agree, leave out. We person we agree. Man, I leave by and do. Kuroko say, "Ana ajuba maneli." And then we have a weapon on manelian water. Inside there. We know what you do, bro. We know what you do. Don't be whining. Make you no be say now we cause her. The get. Make you no be say we no give, we no tell, we no talk, we no have patience. Patient day since. We don't dey talk since. We don't dey observe since. But the time when it go happen, now once now. I don't tell you before, say now once person that die. We know that one. So before with that one side, you supposed to know say we know what we do. The get just hold on like that. I no one come they talk much. Come be like say they wait now or one day. See, hold on like that. We know what we do. You never see something, they talk say you don't see something. You never see anything, they talk say you don't see. Wait till you don't see nothing. Wait till you don't see nothing. Just they talk your own as it day you for mind. You never know another person's mind. Now your mind you talk now. You don't talk my own mind. You don't talk waiting day my mind. Now waiting day your mind you talk. So waiting day my mind, sir. Now Biafra. It surprise you, you shock you. Now Biafra. Why I tell you say Biafra or nothing? Biafra or nothing. Men they want you. They want you. Men they forget. Say men know what they do. Maybe say men know they men they get. We know what they do. Forget about. They get. So no worry yourself.
So ụmụnne m ọ bụrụ na anyị na vidio kịta na ọnụ ga-afụ kịta na ihe a bụ ndị Musa boys na Nigerian police ebe ha sere onwe ha vidio na ha nọ n'ime ọfịa na confront ndị Fulani herdsmen. Anyị amaghọ ma karịkachọ ka ndị a na-eme, anyị amaghọ ma fim ka ha na-atị ka ọ nọ gịnị. Ọ bụrụ na ihe a bụ eziokwu na ha na-anụso ndị Fulani herdsmen ọgụ, ihe a na ndị Fulani herdsmen na-egbuchichi ndị mmadụ ọkara ebu ezie. So amaghọ m ihe na-eme n'obodo a ka anyị gwa ya onwe anyị eziokwu. Anyị aghọta ihe na-eme. Ọ bụrụ na ndị a n'eziokwu nọ n'ime ọhịa kịta na na-anụso ndị Fulani herdsmen ọgụ, in other words, ndị Fulani herdsmen ga-agago ịgbara ọgwụ ha na-aṅụ. I get me. They will not be acting or buying people the way they are buying people. They will not be doing that. But because of the government allowed them, that's why it's happening, and that's exactly what Nnamdi Kanu stood against. But I had you put a gap for sheer. When the Zenka has to an army and many more has not had no different herdsmen or go. I go to one eye in the Hawa Bawuru, he goes up one eye in the Hajidoro. Had also na Abba. The boss don't watch a video.
Watch our front. I don't just stop it. Watch our side. Watch there. Hey! Mona, can't take alignment. Above my rifle don't jump. Above, look them. That tree. Now we're then. Did I advance? Oh yeah, wait first. Buddy, where we not there now? Mona, can't take alignment here. Why are you behind? Wait. Don't go yet, oh. See us for here. Don't withdraw yet. Who? Mona, check their movement. Now advance, they advance.
Commander.
Eh? Okay. Look at where you are firing, oh.
Firing and withdraw because of that person.
I beg, take. Hold on for me. They are still fighting at us. I'm on CD, you. The march. Let's go. Fire and withdraw. They're firing for her. Who be that? They come. Open your eyes, oh. Open all around the fence. They can flank us. Hang it. Hang and move out. Hang and move out. Hang and move out. Hey! Withdraw. Tactical withdraw. So somebody come out. Come on, withdraw. Come out. Withdraw. Come out. Hey! Mona, come out now. Come out. They are coming. Alignment. Fully far front, yeah. Let's go. Withdraw. Take an alarm from there. Wait. Look at your back. Yeah? Look at your back.
Guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe. It was Magnetic Gist TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. Please be polite in your comments. We all love you. For the service of Magnetic Gist TV, God will surely see us through. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Let there be love in Igbo land. Let there be love in Biafra land. Let there be love in general. Nwanne buru nwanne ya abụrụ odogwu. Ka ibudobe n'onwe ayo. Daruno.